When doing your eyebrows, you want to make sure that you take a brush and brush those hairs up so you can see where you're going to make your line. For the first brow, we're going to be using the Brow Obsession palette, and when using a powder, you want to make sure you have a fine tip brush so that you can make your lines clean. The start of your brow should go from the edge of your nose up, the arch from the end of your nose through your pupil, and the end, the edge of your nose through the corner of the outside of your eye. Starting with the number 1 on the palette, this is the lightest color. You want to use this for the base of your eyebrow and to draw out the outline of your brow. So following those previous steps of where you want to measure from is where you want to start drawing your brow on. Using a brush like this allows you to get a look that looks more natural by being able to draw those lines on into your eyebrow like I'm doing here. Continue filling the base of the brow with a lighter color. In this case, it's number 1 on the Obsession palette. This gives a more natural look and allows your brow to be able to blend. Next, you're going to use number 2 on the Obsession brow palette. This color is used from the mid-brow to the outside. Continue filling in your brow from the midsection down with your darker color to make sure that your brows are thick and full. Continue filling in your brow with the appropriate color in areas that you may have missed. The next step is highlighting. You're going to use the flat edge of your brush starting with number 3. You're going to take this and go along the bottom edge of your eyebrow. This is going to clean up the line and help your eyebrow appear more defined and more popped out. Number 4, you're going to take and put right under number 3 and blend it in a downward motion. This is going to help your brow bone appear more popped out. The next step, number 5, is also using the flat side of your brush. This is a brow gel. You're going to apply a thin layer all across your brow. This is going to help the hairs stay in place throughout the day and help that eyebrow stay defined. For the second brow, we're going to be using the Precision Brow Liner. This is more of a beginner's tool. You're going to start at the base and go upwards to mimic the natural hairs that would appear in this area. Again, you want it to be lighter at the base and darker at the edge. So you're going to do the same thing as you did on the other brow and follow the line and make the shape of your brow first. You're going to move on and continue filling the brow in, making sure that from the middle to the end is more thick in pencil than the base of the brow. As you're applying product to your eyebrows, it's good to use a brow brush. This helps you to see how much product you're applying and where you need to fill in your eyebrows more. If you have a brow gel, you can also apply it once you're done putting on the pencil. You can also use Vaseline as a brow gel, but remember, keep it light. So here we have the Precision Eye Pencil and the Moonstruck Obsession palette.